Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you share screen on Microsoft Teams. So guys, at first install the Microsoft Teams app, and after installing the app, just create an account and go to the app. Here you can see in the bottom left side home icon here, click on it. After clicking it, just create a meeting by clicking the second option, meet now. Now here you can see here in the bottom start meeting option, click on it. Click on join now, the bottom one. Here you can see in the bottom right here three dot icon, click on the three dot icon. After clicking it, beside people share option here, click on the share option. After clicking it, here you can see in the bottom left share screen option, click on the share screen. Click on start now, and after that you can share screen on Microsoft Teams. So guys, that's how you can share screen on Microsoft Teams. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and please subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.